Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the Moon Frog, and in this one, we're gonna build a set of custom headers out of scrap to match our intake manifold. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I got the transmission in there and I got the shaft re-welded because I messed it up on the first try, and it turned out better than it did the first time, so that's pretty good. But now to move on to the main subject of this video, which is custom headers. I'm gonna need to get a couple things ready. So as you can see, I'm gonna need some flanges, and then we are very limited on the room we're gonna have to run the headers. The goal here is to make them drop out behind the wheel here, so it doubles as a foot warmer. Let's go make some flanges. So as you can see, we got some flanges crudely cut out. I didn't do the other side yet, so we're gonna start with this side and hopefully make some headers. My scrap of choice in this case is going to be some Y pipes from Chevy Silverados. I assume these were from 4.3s or 4.8s because these are 2-inch pipes, all of these. And then we have a bigger, probably around 3-inch pipe here, and we're gonna use those as our collectors. Let's see how that goes. So out of all that scrap we had, only these pieces are going to be the one header. So we have our first runner here, second and third. These are all going to be connected to a collector. That's not a collector yet, but it's going to be. So now I'm going to start tacking. I have to shrink down all the ends. This is a little wonky, but you'll see why. So once we have this on the flange, obviously the tube is too big to fit in between the bolts, so I have to shrink it down and then shape it all funky so the bolts have room to spin. But this is the idea of it. We're going to tack that on there and start going back to the other ones, and we're all going to exit down in that corner over there. well, there's no sense in hiding this. When I welded the collector together, I introduced major warp to this longer tube and also to this shorter tube right here. Hence why I had to cut this off, make a slit here, and cut this one off in order to re-weld these sections, and hopefully they don't put tension on the studs like they were doing before. So let's try that again.
Rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine, you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. There's a wonderful world beneath the concrete. We can dance all night, break the concrete. Flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Don't forget.
Alright, well this is going to be it for this video. We got our two manifolds, or headers I should say, completed. They're about the same length, and hopefully they'll breathe equally. But if you want to know that, you'll have to hit that subscribe button and tune in next time when we first fire this buggy. Now until then, go out, be rad.